Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope everybody is fine. So, guys, first of all, I just want to request you please take care of yourself and your family member as well because you know the third wave of the pandemic is just about to come in India soon. And I just want to request you please take all the precautions and all the instruction please follow which are necessary, right? And take care of yourself. So today I'm here to discuss about the topic, a very common topic I would say, because a lot of people ask me that how can we improve our communication skills and how can be a good English speaker. So this is one of the most common question asked by people. So today I'm just gonna tell you some of the most common and some of the most important, I would say, tricks and tips which you can follow, which I have been following for last uh, 2 or 3 months, and it helped me a lot, and I'm just hoping that it will help you guys as well. So what kind of a tips and a tricks that you can follow to improve your communications? Like the first thing that I would say, reading habits. You must have a reading habits, because reading habit is one of the thing that can improve your communications faster, right? So you can just read whatever you want to read, like whether it is a novel or a newspaper. You can just give at least 1 hour of your reading, because it's really really important. So just give 1 hour at least to your to your reading. And if you just read newspaper, or if you read just novels, so the thing is like how these things can help you is like something, you have a good amount of vocabulary if you read newspaper and a books, right? You can just use those vocabularies in your daily basis conversation. This is the first thing. And the second thing is, it improves your communication reading skills as well, right? So it helps you in both ways. Like one is increasing in vocabulary, and the second is like you can just improve your reading skills as well. So reading is one of the most important thing, because and the major thing is like it helps you to make your mind sharper. Okay, so this is very important thing. If you read, you can just keep your mind healthier. And the second is like I would say, because most of the people ask me that they really don't have someone to talk around them in English all the time. So that I would say that if you really don't have people around you who can just speak to you all the time in English, so that you can do one thing, you can just talk to yourself. Just try to follow this tip, and I would request you to adopt this quality inside you as soon as possible, because this is very mandatory, because you can't just find all the time people around you to speak in this language, right? Because we are just living in India, and majority of the people speak in Hindi, right? So it's really hard to find people around you to speak in this language all the time. So what you can do that, you can just speak to yourself. You can just give you can just give topic to yourself, and you can just create a story inside your mind, and you can just speak, right? If you just make yourself more comfortable, you can just go and stand in front of the mirror, and you can just speak on that particular topic. You can just pick up any of the object, and you can just create a story on that particular object as well, right? So this is the thing that you can follow, and I have been following all these things. That's why I'm just telling you. And there are lot of applications out there in the Play Store that you can find it, and in the App Store as well, right? So there are a lot of application that you can just take a subscription of those applications, and you can just have a conversation with people as well, if you really don't have people around you, so that you can just take a help of these applications. So these applications will definitely help you out as well, to improve your communication skills. And the second thing that I would say, the belief. This is one of the most important part of learning, right? So because there will be a lot of hurdle, there will be a lot of challenge when you will just when you will start learning a language. So you'll face a lot of struggle, and you'll face a lot of trouble ahead. But if you don't give up, I'm telling you that you'll definitely get a command in this language. But you'll have to you'll have to just be confident, and you'll have to be you have to be patient as well, because this thing will take some time to improve. It's not like something that you know one night game. No, it's not like that. You'll have to give some time, and you'll have to wait for some time. you know. And you'll have to be consistent. It's like it's not like something that you just read any of the book, or you just practice just 2 or 3 days in a week. No, it's not like that. It will not work in this way. You'll have to give every single day, right? And you'll have to give time to this language every single day. Then you can just see the improvement inside you. Otherwise, no, I would say that you are just going to waste your time if you can't just give time. Okay, so just follow these instructions, these tips and tricks that you can, that can help you out to improve your communication as well, I would say. And reading habits, speak to yourself. And one more thing I just want to discuss with you guys is like something you can just watch, web series. There are a lot of web series as well available in Netflix and other platform as well, like Amazon Prime. So you can just watch the web series, and you can just listen English songs, watch the web series with the subtitle, right? And try to, because when you just watch web series, what will happen is like something, you can just get a lot of amount of phrasal verbs, because in the web series they use a lot of phrasal verbs, different kind of phrasal verbs. So if you have a good amount of phrasal verbs, so you will never ever find any kind of trouble